Welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine, she's talking about Lorraine and Dr. Love. And guess what? Dr. Love is talking about Lorraine. Lorraine is talking about Dr. Love. I guess they're having an issue with each other and they're going toe to toe with each other. But in this, Maxine is basically saying that Dr. Love is out to get Lorraine into court, and Lorraine is threatening the same thing as well, trying to get him into court. So it's a back and forth battle between both of them, but we don't know how that will come out or the outturn of that. So the outcome, I should say, of that. So we have to just sit and listen to what Maxine has to say and hear her play either Dr. Love or Lorraine's tape and hear what they have to say about each other. And remember, guys, we have to comment on this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel as always, and have yourselves a beautiful afternoon.
I wasn't gonna beg this morning, but it might as well me beg. It might as well me beg. I wasn't gonna beg this morning, but me say, Lorraine, you cannot sue anybody. You cannot, like literal. Me don't know if it's spelled cannot right now. It cannot in a phase. You cannot sue nobody, Lorraine. Lorraine, you can't bring nobody down the courthouse. Nobody at all. No, me don't want no cake. Me don't want no cake. Robinson, me don't want no cake. Me have sugar. Robinson, me have sugar. Me don't want no cake, Robinson, me have sugar. Me don't want another Dana cake. If me want another Dana cake, me will go and go look Dana cake. Me don't want another Dana cake. No, sorry for me and Dana cake. Every time people they do their live and do what they do, uno come up with no fuckery and they insert people name in and nothing. Go and go sit down and go wash your look at me I have not this morning. Cause me easy if you get cross, Me turn like a green guana in a 1 second. Yeah, me have them kind of bipolar spirit there in me. You me turn like a green guana in a 1 second. So me just take you off of the place without your foolishness. Like you me tell us me want cake this morning. Me do everyone nothing from Dr. Love neither. Me just want to give Dr. Love the information. Me just want to just give Dr. Love the information. That's all me want to do. Dr. Love, me have the address, the phone number, anything at all you want, me have it. Anything at all you want from that little witch. Lorraine, you cannot. You open something and do something for me already? Jill, look in a pan in a bathroom, something in there. Me no, just step up in the pan the ground and just show you outside bucket. Alright, if not you can just put it with fear. No. Just look on the ground, listen. Listen to me and listen to me good. Lorraine, you are a domestic terrorist. And if a man like you would have sing slow, walk slow, and leave people's business alone. Because I'm telling you, honestly, to God, you'd know if I had the money, your house would be behind bars right now. You would be behind bars. You understand? Because you're wicked and you're evil. And if anybody not bring you in at the courthouse, me don't know how you, Miss Domestic Terrorists, will come here upon 1 day refugee visa. They go on so, and they talk about America government don't protect you. Me say not even Stephen D. Brown can protect you. Not even Stephen D. Brown can protect you. Because he might look time to protect for himself right now. He want to go protect you. In a which country? In America, why you do the American citizens them pitness up? You forget say me pitney them as American citizen, born and grow in America. They no left Jamaica go there. Them born and grow up there in Lorraine. And you domestic terrorize them the way how you do. You know they go tell people say the government they go protect you because they not protect you. Then the gunman and the Obia woman and stuff like that. You don't know. You might as well know the Obia man and the gunman. You might as well know them. Cause you wicked. No, you they run and ball. How you do you fret? You they fret? Me say Dr. Love, me open on go talk the talk and the joke, you know, because you love to give joke, you know. And me want go open a joke you again, you know, Dr. Love. Me open a joke you again. Dr. Love, me have the bill and receipt. The bill and receipt. Because me want to see somebody carry her down the road because me don't have the money. Me have to go lean for the American government now to deal with her with Bella them case. Oh yeah, there's a case there, you know. Oh yeah, man, there's a case there. But it is so funny. Listen to Big Bad Lorraine now. Maybe play Big Bad Lorraine phone. Because no one no hear the story. No one do not hear the story. Me nah stop it again. Me nah stop it. Yeah. Mm-mm. Why Lorraine, you light her ass? Yeah, yeah. Not you. Not you. You know what they're going to do to you, Lorraine? They're going to fling you out of every courthouse in Maryland because you are a menace to society. You are a menace to society. The way you follow up courthouse and follow up jailhouse and follow up every one of them government place there, they are going to look at you as menace to society because that's what you are. You are the wrongdoer, and yet for all you run in at every courthouse to put on people name in there. But Lorraine, I have up to your date of birth. Remember, say you girl, you. You know the area? Lorraine, you know, have no ear or nothing for nobody hurt on your body because number one, the skin what they on your body are not for you. The hair what they on your head are not for you. You know, for you it. So me don't know what nobody when they go hurt for you. You don't have nothing, you know want nothing for nobody hurt. The skin are not for you. Your body are not for you. Nothing at all for you are not you. You don't know God neither, Tapi. Go brush your teeth, Lorraine. Lorraine, go brush your teeth. Who make Lorraine like some man? Yeah, yeah. Everybody a germ, Sarah. Lorraine stink. I swear to God, Lorraine is very stink. You may look at me nice, ladies, you know. So Cartoon was lying then when she said Lorraine told her to look for you because she have some men in Jamaica. Can you imagine? I'm taking that she meant gunman. Yes! Yes! Laugh at me. Yes! She sent them. Yeah, when I read the comments, them. I fear foolishness them are right up and I sit there look at the gamers them out, you know. Like the gamers them out. The gamers them out. Gamers go along over no page, go look for no gaming something them. Me not do no gaming nothing over here. Me not do no gaming nothing over here. Lorraine are wicked. Lorraine, me know, and you know, say you're going to make Dr. Love vice in or something. Because there's no vice out there for you get. You are going to make it. I know you're going to make it. You know you're going to make it. Because if you can come out with it right now, feel safe and play against what you do right now, you ain't got shit. But Lorraine, take it from me. You can't carry Dr. Love going to court. And not everybody you can't carry going to court. You cannot carry that man going on court. Because the man never say nothing. What you have and say you the carry going to court for the man, then go and dash the book on you. Lorraine, you know they make you jail time. Because you're a nuisance. You are a menace to society. They are going to throw you in jail. You love courthouse too much. I see it happen already, you know. Yes, because you're a troublemaker. You walk around, you is a domestic terrorist. That's what we call you up there in America. You are a domestic terrorist. Mm-hmm. I see around 20 people over here suffering over Lorraine camp. I see you on Facebook. I see you. I see you, you know. I see you go back over there. Go and right back over Lorraine. Go right back over Lorraine. I don't want to know about you. Because the whole of you wicked and bad. The whole of you wicked and bad. I don't want to see you none of you over here. Let me play my video in peace. Lorraine said Dr. Love fling out word for him and a lie, you know. You know, say a lie. But Lorraine, they start up on a wrong lie again on a wrong person. No, sir.